Hey y'all, welcome back to another video with me. It's Keyshana. Thank y'all so much for joining me in today's video. And if you're fucking with the vibes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As y'all can tell by the title, y'all clicked on this video, period. I'm going to be making my first U-part wig, y'all. I'm literally just gonna be showing y'all the process of me constructing this wig. I did use the hot glue gun method, and I also am gonna be just telling y'all and talking to y'all about pros and cons about making a U-part wig with this method. You could sew your U-part wig, you could glue your U-part wig, you know, however you like construct it. But I decided to do the hot glue gun method because my birthday was coming up, period. And I wanted to just have something, get something like quick. And I did have this hair by Elfin hair that I wanted to use. So shout out to Elfin hair. This video is not sponsored, but go ahead, you feel me? Go ahead, hit up your girl. But yes, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it, and I hope y'all enjoy the vibes. I know y'all gonna enjoy the vibes. I'm gonna keep popping back in and explaining certain parts of the video. So I'm finna start constructing my U-part wig, and I am using a hot glue gun for this method. I'm really excited. I did go ahead and use marker, y'all. It's like a makeup stick, but it ended up running out. It's okay. I'm gonna just go ahead and place, like back here, I realized that I'm placing them too small, so I am gonna be spacing them out a good like an inch and a half. wanted to talk to y'all about some pros and cons of me making my U-part wig with the hot glue gun method. I feel like some pros was that it was fast, like using a hot glue gun method, it's just like quick and easy, you just gluing it down. That's one pro. One con is that I kind of like didn't realize, y'all, that the glue would seep through, and so it did seep through on the styrofoam, like my wig head. And literally when I took off my wig cap, like it took the styrofoam with it. So y'all gonna see that it's like literally like a line over like the tracks that I laid down. So that's one pro and one con of me constructing my U-part wig this way. But I'm so excited because I really want to get more U-part wigs, and I've been watching videos and stuff like that, period, to get like some ideas. So more hair videos on the way, y'all. I love like filming hair videos, whether that's me doing my hair or just like a wash day or something. Let me know also too if y'all like hair videos, if y'all like hair content, or if y'all want me to talk more about like natural hair or like protective style videos. Hey y'all, I am back and we're finishing my wig. So this is my mannequin hair. I had to put a t-shirt over it, y'all, because what happened was in the inside of my cap, the first layers took off the fucking styrofoam, and then the second layers I put a plastic bag, it took off that right here. And then right here is just it with the t-shirt. So I've been using a t-shirt to go ahead and put it down, y'all, so it would not stick like this. But I'm not too mad about it. But let's go ahead and proceed because I'm almost done. It's getting what it's supposed to give. So we coming to the end of the video, y'all, and I did not show y'all my U-part wig on, but I probably will throw in some videos or like footage in here of just me wearing it. It was very voluminous. Also, I realized that constructing it with the hot glue gun, it didn't make it as of a flatter application. But overall, I truly enjoyed doing this. I like making wigs, y'all, so definitely going to tap into that more. But yes, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching today's video, today's hair vlog, how I made my first U-part wig. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you fucking with the vibes, period. If you fucking with the vibes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000 YouTube subscribers, y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for joining me, and thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see y'all in my next one.